how to help your alliance in Rise of Kingdom. Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. In this video, we are gonna learn how you can easily help your alliance in Rise of Kingdoms, so let's get started. First of all, launch open Rise of Kingdoms application on your device, and once you're inside the city, go ahead and tap on the Alliance tab at the bottom right. Now the alliance that you've joined in will be displayed on the screen. Right after you do that, go to the help option on the right corner and tap on it, and then click on the help button at the bottom to help your alliance. After you do that, you will be able to help all of your members. Helping your alliance makes the game more fun and rewarding. After helping an alliance, you may receive a reward. Simply claim on it. And that's how you can easily help your alliance or your members in your alliance right away. So that is how you easily help your alliance member in Rise of Kingdoms. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.